Alright guys, moment of truth. We got the engine block assembled. The other engine block came off. So what we need to do is we need to take the muffler line here, the pressure line. That's gonna pump fuel into our engine. We're gonna connect it right here to this baby. Hopefully it stays on. There's a weird looking little nipple. We're gonna take off the actual fuel line of this engine block, and we're gonna connect it to this engine here, our mini little nitro engine. Okay, we're gonna put this baby to the side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pump. I just want to see if fluid goes in. We're gonna prime this baby. I felt a little bit of fuel go in there. Maybe we'll crank it up right here. We got our igniter. But prior to that, we forgot one thing. This glow plug that's been sitting here for a couple of years. Let's see how this baby feels. Let's see if it ignites. Let's see if it works. If your glow plug doesn't work, nothing will work. Oh, we got juice. This old igniter glow plug is still running. So let's see if this baby, we're gonna have to align this baby right here in the center. Okay, nothing wants to fit, nothing wants to be easy. So, you know what, we're gonna take it outside instead of in here, but let's see if I feel a stroke into it at least, you know. What we're gonna do is we're gonna close our throttle. Let's push this baby on. And let's prime it a bit more. Okay, there you go. The whole line is full. Okay. And I don't think this baby's gonna run. I don't feel that. Whoa, yeah. So we're gonna take this baby out there. We're gonna take it outside. We're gonna take this baby outside. That's a good crank. Alright guys, we are out here. Okay, so we're ready to fire this baby up. So what I want to do is I want to open the fuel line a bit. Same thing here and same thing there. Up. Whoa, I slipped. I slipped there. Let's push some gas. Gonna full throttle it. Okay, we might not be getting enough fuel in there, so let's open up the fuel a bit more. All right, so I feel like on this end it's no good. The low needle might not have been good, or we're not getting pressure from the exhaust system, because it seems like it's running, but then it cuts off when there's no more fuel. I had to cut it off because my base is coming loose. But anyway, we got the baby running nice the way we wanted. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos on Nitro.